Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Abdjine. Today I'm sharing with you guys what I eat in a day, not typical day, to gain weight. So I'm starting off with the egg sandwich, and I'm having. So I started off with just regular egg and then half a cup of store-bought egg white, seasoning that with salt, pepper, chili flake, and everything bagel seasoning. I bought this bagel seasoning because I watched a few videos and people were hyping it up, but it's really not all that, to be honest. I don't know. It's okay. Anyway, I don't really like plain eggs, so I always add some either just onions or peppers and onions to my eggs. Also, if you're trying to remake this, use a non-stick pan because I was really struggling with this pan because it was like sticking everywhere and I couldn't really get the eggs to, I couldn't even flip it over. So use a non-stick pan. Oh my god. Okay, now let's assemble this egg sandwich. I'm using a flat whole wheat bagel. It's store-bought. I don't know where my mom got it from. I don't even remember the brand. Anyway, so I'm adding a few slices of avocado, some ketchup, some sriracha, and also some spinach. Okay, so I'm pairing the sandwich with a smoothie. I'm using 1 cup of frozen peach and I believe pineapple and mango, and then half a cup of frozen kale, and then 1 scoop of collagen powder. I will show you guys what the collagen powder I use in a few minutes, and then 1 cup of almond milk and a little bit of honey for sweetness. Okay, so this is it for my breakfast. I had the whole thing. I love making breakfast, my favorite thing to do. Okay, so for lunch, I had 1 meal left from my meal prep. I decided to fry some sweet plantain to have with my lunch. And I realized that having and eating the same 2 meals for a whole week straight can be boring, so I always try to add some fresh component to my meal prep. Either it's some fresh avocado or some tossed salad or sweet plantain. I always try to add a little bit of something just to spice things up and just make it more interesting. And the lunch is just stuffed chicken with spinach and cream cheese, and then cabbage with bacon, turkey bacon and regular bacon. If you want to know how I made this, I have a meal prep video on my channel. I will link it down below for you. But yeah, this is my lunch. It might seem like a lot, but it's I don't know, I eat a lot. I have a very big appetite.
Okay, so it's currently noon. What time is it? 7 o'clock. I'm about to go to the gym and I'm having a banana with some nuts I've been munching on all day. I'm about to finish it as my workout meal. Then I'm gonna have my pre-workout and go to the gym. Whenever I eat too much, I'll throw up before working out. So I can't have anything heavy, so I always have a banana for energy. And yeah, that's it. And I'll see you guys after the workout.
Okay, here I am at the gym doing my thing. It was leg day, so I'm doing a little bit of deadlifts, some leg press, and yeah, and I did other things too, but I didn't really record anything. If you want an updated leg workout, let me know.
Hey guys, so it is currently 10 p.m. I just got back from the gym and now I'm about to have my final meal of the day. Yes, I eat pretty late because I work overnight, so whenever I don't eat, I go in to work and I don't really sleep, so my metabolism continue to digest the food, and by the time it's like 8 a.m. for me to get off, I'm super hungry, so I try to eat before I go to work. So I have my almond milk in here, 1 scoop of protein powder, and a little bit of not chia seeds, ground flax seeds. It tastes pretty gross, but it's really good for you. So, oh shit, I put a lot. Damn it. It's okay. It's okay. Where's my little blender? Okay, we're gonna blend that baby up. Oh, where is it? And I'm having, for dinner, I'm having something pretty light. I'm having maïmoulé avec pois noir with sauce, which is basically polenta or cornmeal with black beans and a sardine sauce made by my mother. So I'm gonna have that and my protein shake, and that's about it really. And I'll probably snack on some more bananas and yogurt for the night. And yeah, that's about it. This is what I eat in a day to gain weight. I'm almost done with my weight gain journey. I have 1 more month, then I'm gonna start cutting for summer. And we'll see, we'll take it from there. But I have gained about 10 pounds so far in the past, I would say, I started in September. So in the past, September, October, November, December, January, 4 months, 10 pounds, 4 months. No ketamine, no appetite enhancer, naturally. So next week I will make a video on how to properly gain weight and the tips and the things I wish I knew, and I'll post that. Hopefully that could kind of help you with your weight gain. Anyway, I'm really tired. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Same thing, same usual. And I'll see you guys next time, next Tuesday.